What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good?
What's good? We tuning in for another video, man, and we got a super busy day on the agenda today, man. I'm up and at it. We gotta head to Summit Racing. I gotta go pick up some parts for Airtrain, the rear end parts. I got to get some not some race fuel. Well, yeah, I do gotta get racing fuel. I gotta go holler at A-Rock Perform, get some race fuel. Gotta get some E85 while I'm up there at Summit. A whole lot of stuff, man. A whole lot of stuff. I found a partner of mine, shout out to my boy Blue Nail, same guy I bought the donk from, actually. Got the window stabilized, so I gotta get them, so it's a busy day, man. So we finna get to it. Let's do it. All right, we checking in, y'all. So I got the fuel, I got the parts. Man, it got packed in there, man. Still gonna end up getting home at about lunchtime, but it's still straight though. But they will really need right here the axles. So get the rear end straight. Can't be breaking no axles. So got the Mosers and boom, fresh set of radials. Gonna get with it. So y'all stay tuned, man. All right, so we made it back from Summit, and I kept the test. I didn't dump the fuel and water out so y'all can see how it tested different at the pump by Summit, right at 85. See? So they got the good blend of E85 up there, so right at 85. So I bought 15 gallons. And we got the axles. We got the new radials. We about ready to ride, man. My back rim will come in tomorrow. I'm gonna just run R&B front runners right now. And then I grab the front runners for that. I think I need that. I want to take the studs out right there first, but I know the back gonna be straight, so I went ahead and got the back rim. So yeah, man, we're gonna have Rick gonna come through, put the axles in. We're gonna put the longer 3-inch studs back there in the back. I gotta head to pick the window stabilizers up. I found somebody that got some, so I'm gonna go grab them. And hopefully we have this window situated today too. Then I'll be ready to go to the track, man, and make the first pass. I'll be ready to make the first pass, man. So I got new plugs and stuff too. New spark plugs. Finna go down here. I'm gonna have to change the oil and stuff. Pick filters. There's a lot of running around today. So I'm finna get with it, man. So y'all stay tuned. All right. So look, it's the next day. Man, it was just been busy, man. It was busy. I ain't even get to turn y'all back on, cause it was just busy, man. And it's another busy day too. I'm just not having to run around. But I went to AutoZone. I got I ain't picked the stuff up. It'll be in tomorrow. But I got all new back brake stuff for the back. Cause I'm like, man, we changing apps. We might as well just get to it. So the axle's not gonna get done till the top of next week, cause graduations and all that stuff going on this weekend. And Rick, oldest son, he graduated, so shout out to him, man. Congratulations. So Rick gonna be tired with that. And I know how to do the axles too, but I'm just trying to let everybody touch their hands and get their hands on the car, the team and stuff, so y'all can see everybody and all that. But most of y'all know I know how to do that too. Y'all seen me do it with Dolo. I know how to put axles and all this stuff in. But I'm gonna let my boy Rick do it. But what we about to do is change these stabilizers out. So shout out to my bro Blue Nail. Some good ones, man. He gave me some good ones. They still got good felt on them. So we're gonna get these out. These things feel broke. So we're gonna get these out right here. And man, he gave me a lot of pieces. He gave me a lot of pieces, man. He really hooked me up. He looked out. I'ma still get the track, the regulator, the window regulator and stuff, but that's easy to hunt down. So I got that cooking. And look, y'all see the interior? I want y'all to see it, cause the interior, I made a move too, man. I got some interior coming. This gonna be for sale. Somebody want the bucket seats, these bucket seats, and the front and back seat. The back seat in great shape. I'm gonna have these for sale. So you want these, man? I let them go $650 for y'all over here. Now I put on Facebook. You see them for $700 or something. Just know it. If you watching the vlog and you hit me through one of them applications, you say $650. I know you saw the vlog. To let me know. $650. You watching the vlog? I sell the front and back seats for $650. Of course, you have to pick them up. I ain't shipping these. It ain't worth it for you to pay shipping either. So, local pickup or whatever, Georgia, you get with me, pick them up. I have them out probably this weekend. But like I said, bucket seats. See, they go to back seat. Be for sale. So, yeah, man. Let's get these stabilizers in though. See what it do. All right, we're checking in. So, they're good as I got the window, but it still ain't straight, man. It's something else wrong. It is something else wrong. And this right here still ain't right, as you can see. Y'all, it is something ain't right, man. So I'm gonna just get all the inner workings, the tracks, all that stuff, man, out of a door that I know work, the one to go up and down, and then change it out, cause I don't know. Even if something at the bottom of my glass broke, I know where one at. My partner got the glass too, so it won't be no problem getting that. But I'm gonna get all the stuff out the door and all of that, man, and see where to it, cause this junk here, it ain't going, man. It ain't going. So I just got finished dialing in somebody carburetor too, man. I ain't recorded on custom and got that done, but I'm trying to keep y'all in the loop with everything, every move that get made. So, you know, Summit run pretty much. We got axles, studs. Let me show y'all, matter of fact. You know you gotta have your gasket. So I got the 3-inch. We got the 3-inch wheel studs. These screw in. I went with the screw in this time. Matter of fact, these supposed to have provision for screw in. I got spark plugs, so I'm gonna tune this joker up. And then I got the lug nuts for the wheels, whenever they come. I'll show y'all them. And then I got regular lug nuts because y'all know open end. Y'all know these not gonna work no more. They M12 by 150s. And I'm going to a 1/2 inch 20. So yeah, man, there's the pickup. Where they go right here? Yeah, right here. For when I put my Monte Carlo mask back on. But yeah, y'all, that's the pickup. We're making moves on the old L-train. We're making moves already, man, getting it done and stuff. So we're gonna get this rear situated because the plan, y'all, is to take this thing to the track for the first run next week. That's the plan. So I'm trying to get ready, preparation and stuff. I'm gonna change the oil, change the plugs, get this rear situated, put the axles in bigger, you know, bigger axles, better axles, longer wheel studs, and tires are in. Y'all saw though. I think I showed y'all though. The radius in. So other than that, we'll be ready to roll. We have new back brakes on the back and all that. And I'm gonna have that window situated. Trust me, I got to have that window situated. So oh yeah, and man, I plan on changing this interior. So if somebody want this, like I said, man, the interior gonna be for sale, $650 if you want it. So let me know on that, cause I do plan on changing it. And like I said, I got this already. They're back in the back seat, cause that jump there is ugly. That shot out. So I need to take the time and get that changed out. I actually want a gray one And I'm gonna change the tack out too. So eventually I'm gonna have this for sale, man. I need a monster tack. I like a monster tack. I need to check the clips on that part and make sure that's some good. But we're gonna get it together little by little, man. Little by little. So yeah, they're gonna wrap it up for this one, man. Like I said, just a vlog, keep y'all in the loop and all that, man. Like I said, this the build before the build. And I hope y'all just stay tuned. So I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later, BCG. We out.